The random variable x is normally distributed with mean 82 and standard deviation 7.4. You have come across information, make a note. Mean is 82. Standard deviation is 7.4. Find the value of q such that probability of x lies between 82 minus q to 82 plus q is 0.44. Clear? Now understand this. Given is probability lying between 82 minus q to 82 plus q. Clear? Now let us say this is the normal distribution curve and 82 minus q is here, let us say, and here it is 82 plus q. Probability is nothing but area under the curve. So this area is given to us to be 0.44. Clear? Now how do I get this area? Means in this way. See, first I find entire left side of 82 plus q. From that I remove left side of 82 minus q. Understand it carefully, man. From the entire left side of 82 plus q, let us say here it is 82 minus q. When I am removing it, I get the in between area. Did you understand? Now how do I represent it? It means, see, this is P of 82 plus q less than x less than 82 minus q is equal to, this is entire left side of 82 plus q. So x less than 82 plus q. Here also entire left side of 82 minus q. So P of x less than 82 minus q. Now in every normal distribution question we have to make use of this one, and that is P of x less than n is nothing but phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. Here you should check out for this symbol. Whenever it is less than, then P will get converted to phi. Clear? Whenever here it is less than, P will get converted to phi. Now you see here. Here the symbol is less than. So whenever it is less than, P will get converted to phi of 82 plus q minus mean 82 by standard deviation is 7.4 minus, even here also the symbol is less than. So phi of 82 minus q minus mean 82 by 7.4. Okay. And how much is this probability given to us? Is 0.44. Any doubts till here? Clear, right? Now this can't be simplified, so it will stay. Over here, how will I simplify it? Means cut plus 82 and minus 82. I get q by 7.4 minus, there also does anything gets cancelled out? Yes. Plus 82 and minus 82. I get minus q by 7.4. Now next is, we have to make this negative into positive. And how do we do that? See here, phi of q by 7.4 minus, to make this into positive I have to subtract from 1. Whenever you are subtracting from 1, this will change to positive. This is the rule. Okay. Next. So phi of q by 7.4. Here you open up the bracket in this way. So I get minus 1 plus phi of q by 7.4. Next, how do we simplify means? See. To get rid of minus 1, I add plus 1 on both sides and this gets cancelled. And also these two are same. Agreed? When they are same, this plus this will be 2 times of phi of q by 7.4. Agreed? Now here 0.44 plus 1 is 1.44. Now to get rid of 2, divide by 2 on both sides. So this gets cancelled. I get, so 1.44 by 2 is 0.72 is equal to, no change on this side, phi of q by 7.4. Okay, now how do you simplify further means? Shift phi to the other side. When phi gets shifted to other side, it will become phi inverse of 0.72 equal to q by 7.4. Clear? Now this value you will get from normal distribution table and you should get it to be 0.583 equal to q by 7.4. If any doubts in making use of normal distribution table, look at the playlist given in the description. Okay. Now to get q, you should get rid of 7.4. For that, multiply with 7.4 on both sides. So this gets cancelled. You put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 4.31. So this is the value for q. Is it clear? Every normal distribution between questions, we have to do this method. Okay.